Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, March 16th. Today I'm going to read an essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that is titled The Bee Comes. And then after the reading, as always, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. The flower does not dream of the bee. It blossoms and the bee comes. At times in my life, I have wanted love so badly that I have reimagined myself, reinvented who I am, in an attempt to be more desirable or more deserving, only to discover again and again that it is the tending of my own soul that invites the natural process of love to begin. I remember my very first stumble into love. I found such comfort there that, like Narcissus, I became lost in how everything other than my pain was reflected in her beauty. All the while, I was abdicating my own worth, empowering her as the key to my sense of joy. If I have learned anything through the years, it is that though we discover and experience joy with others, our capacity for joy is carried like a pod of nectar in our very own breast. I now believe that our deepest vocation is to root ourselves enough in this life that we can open our hearts to the light of experience, and so bloom. For in blooming, we attract others. In being so thoroughly who we are, an inner fragrance is released that calls others to partake of our nectar, and we are loved by friends and partners alike. It seems the very job of being is to ready for such love. By attending our own inner growth, we uncannily become exactly who we are. And like the tulip, whose blossomed petal is the exact shape of the bee, our self-actualization attracts a host of loving others, more real than all our fantasies. In this way, the universe continues through the unexpected coming together of blossomed souls. So if you can, give up the want of another and be who you are. And more often than not, love will come at the precise moment you're simply loving yourself. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. As always, try to see if you can get a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to identify one trait that makes you feel good about who you are. Your laugh, your smile, your ability to listen, the sound of your voice. Reflect on the time you exhibited this goodness recently. Did you notice that how who you are affects others? These small moments are the beginning of love. They don't yet have definition. So just take a moment and give thanks for your small goodness. and for the potential love of others. Place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice and notice how being you affects others. Remember how all these little goodnesses in you that you display to the world, these small moments, have potential for love. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.